Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful scarf. As you can see, that's two different versions of moss stitch. I use horizontal and vertical together, and that's the middle of this scarf. Hope you like it. I use this yarn, Papatya Easy Knit, and one ball is 150 grams, 5.30 oz, 85 meters, 93 yards. I hope you can see it. Yeah, and it's size 6 super bulky yarn. I use one ball from this black, one ball from burgundy, and 1.5 ball from the cream. You will need nearly 550 grams of yarn, maybe, and I used 10 millimeter hook. And that's a simple pattern. Even beginners can easily make it, and it's stylish. I hope you like it. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's start. To begin with the slip knot, then I'm gonna make 90 chains. This will be the half of our scarf, okay? So I want to make it 180 centimeters long. If you want to make it longer or smaller, maybe, you can start with multiples of 2 for this side. Just find your measurements. If you want to make, for example, 140 centimeters long, you will need 70 centimeters for now. So you can start with 70 chains, because one stitch is nearly a centimeter with this yarn, a category 6 yarn, and 10 millimeter hook. But if you want, you can try with on your own yarn and hook first, and find your gauge, then make your chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm gonna make 90 chains and turn back to you. Once you complete your 90 chains, just turn back and skip 1, 2, 3 stitches into this fourth. Insert. You can use this back loops. It will look better with this way. Insert here. Grab the yarn over and pull through. So that's a single crochet. Chain 1. Skip 1 stitch into the next. Put a single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, put a single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, a single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, a single crochet. And we are gonna repeat this. As you can see, it's so simple. Just chain 1, skip 1, and into the next, put a single crochet. See you at the end. I'm almost at the end, and it will be a little longer than I expected, but it's not important. We will see. Okay, it could be a smaller when we start to make our moss stitch. Now in the end, make a chain. Skip this into the next. Insert, grab the yarn, and this time don't complete this single crochet, we are gonna change the yarn. Just grab the second color if you want to use, of course, and complete this single crochet, then chain 2. Turn, and starting from here, it's so easy. That's our single crochet, and that's one chain space. We will work into this 1 chain spaces. Insert here, grab the yarn, make a single crochet. Chain 1, skip the stitch into the 1 chain space, put a single crochet. Chain 1 into the next 1 chain space, put a single crochet. Skip the stitch, put a single crochet. Only important thing is here, you see, that's our single crochet stitch here. Don't insert here, insert into this 1 chain space. Repeat this till the end of the row. When you reach to the end, if you remember we have 3 chains here, insert into this, first make a chain, insert here, make a single crochet. Chain 2, turn. I'm gonna use the same color for 2 rows. Okay, starting from here. Only for here and at the end, I'm gonna use same color only 1 time for 1 row. Chain 2, skip this, put a single crochet. Chain 1, skip this, a single crochet. A single, a single, and repeat this till the end of the row. When you reach the end, make a chain, insert into this 2 chain space, grab the yarn and change the color. Chain 2, turn and repeat the same row. That's all. Use this color for 1 more row. When you reach here, just change the yarn and keep going. I'm gonna make it a little bigger, then turn back to you. I completed this part. It's 95 centimeters long, and as you can see, I finish with the dark color, but I think it's burgundy. I'm not sure. I totally made 24 rows, but if you're making these maybe for a child, you can just stop here. And if you want, you can make it for yourself too. That's a white scarf. I can give you the measurements. It's 26 centimeters almost. Now we are gonna make the other side, and for this we will start from this side. You can see these leftover yarns here. We are gonna start from this side. Insert from this first stitch here. As I told you, we have 24 stitches, 24 rows. We will count one of them like 1 stitch. Okay, we have 24 stitches here. Insert from this first row, not into this chain. Okay. join your yarn, then make 2 chains. Into this next stitch here, insert, put a single crochet, chain 1, you're gonna skip this one, this row, and into the next here, put a single crochet, chain 1, skip this one, into the next, put a single crochet, chain 1, skip this one into the next, a single crochet. Keep repeating, and we are working around these tails too. When you reach to the end, we are gonna make the last one, but while we are making this, we are gonna change the color again. Insert into this last stitch, grab the second color, pull through, chain 2, again, do not cut this yarn, we are gonna use it again, starting from the second stitch, put your single crochets and make 1 chain. And keep going, it's same with here. You are gonna use this yarn for 2 rows, then change the color as I showed you before, use the black, and change the yarn for every after every second row. Keep going with this way and make it longer. See at the end. I almost complete this side too. As you can see, I haven't made this last row with black. I'm gonna make it now. It will look like that, and now we are gonna make a single crochet row around this part, because you know, when you're crocheting, it will loosen up like that. And this part, not. Okay. It will loosen up this way. So we can stop this stretching and hide this tail with this last row. And I'm gonna start this row from here, because that's the right side. Just grab the yarn. I will hide these tails later. Make a chain, insert same place, make a single crochet, chain 1, skip this one into this space, put a single crochet, chain 1, skip this one into this space, put a single crochet, just keep going. See you at the corner here. I'm at the end. I'm gonna make my a single crochet into this 2 chain space here, then chain 2, and into this very same space I'm gonna put a single crochet. Chain 1, put a single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, a single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, a single crochet. Just keep going. I'm at my last single crochet here, and as you can see I have a single crochet at the end. Chain 2, or if you want you can make 3 chains, it's up to you. Skip the single crochet into this space, put a single crochet. Chain 1, skip this one into the space, put a single crochet. Be careful, okay? You're gonna hide this tail too, not leave them like that. It's a little so hard to leave them, but I like to show you anyway. Just keep going, see you at the end. I'm making the last one, then cut this yarn, hide the tail, and hide all the tails you have. And that's all. Hope you like it. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address and it's also my website and Ravelry address too. And Etsy too. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.